Hey guys, Peter with Horizon Trailers. This is the EDZ Economic Dumpster. It comes in length options of 14 and 16 feet, 4 feet sides, and 1 heavy-duty rear door. Starting at the front, it features 2 greasable rollers, 1 heavy-duty D-ring for the winch attachment, and this one features the optional manual tarp kit. The main frame is made of a 1.5 inch by 3 inch 11 gauge tubing with 3-inch channel crossmember spaced at 16 inches apart. The top rail is a 3x4 inch 11 gauge tubing with 10 gauge sides. At the back, it features 2 greasable rollers and 1 heavy duty door. On this side, it features a chain to lock your door in so it won't come down as you unload. The top rail width is 83 inches and the bottom rail width is 60 inches. For securing cargo, we got L-hooks along the sides and also 4 D-rings welded inside the dumpster. And like all our other dumpsters, this dumpster goes through a 6-step painting process which includes steel grip basing and a powder coat finish, making sure the paint is top quality and durable with 13 color options. Backed by a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty plus NATM certified gives you the peace of mind that when buying our dumpsters it will be top quality. For more information, please check out our website horizontrailers.com. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.